Kelly. I am the architect and lead designer for this project.
Settled within the city. So
Right.
if you're going to do those other things, we want you to build it.
We're going to need the community and we're going to need the future generation to say that is not okay. It is not okay to disrespect a multi-million-dollar investment that bridges two communities. It's like vandalizing a church, because this is our outdoor cathedral, and we need to protect it and value it as much, and change the culture so that